Here's a trick that will cut 80% of your tech learning time without feeling overwhelmed. Let me show you something wild. Meet Michael, a 47-year-old sales manager who went from total tech novice to running six-figure digital campaigns in just 90 days. But here's what's crazy. He did it using a learning method that's actually designed for people over 40. It's called age-adapted learning, and it's completely different from those one-size-fits-all courses. Think of it like building with Lego blocks instead of trying to assemble IKEA furniture. Without instructions, each piece naturally connects to the next. The results? Insane. Our students are mastering digital marketing 4 times faster than traditional methods. Some are even outperforming digital natives half their age. But that's not even the craziest part. We found that people over 40 actually have a hidden advantage. When learning digital marketing, their life experience helps them understand customer psychology better than any 20-year-old tech whiz. Here's what makes this different. Zero technical jargon. Everything broken down into 15-minute chunks. Real-world examples you actually understand. No figure-it-out-yourself moments. This is why Michael went from struggling with basic Facebook ads to managing complex marketing campaigns in just 3 months. The question is, will you keep trying to learn tech the hard way? Or are you ready to use a system designed specifically for your brain? If you're ready to master digital skills without the frustration, click the link below and start your journey today.